Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was, which of the following countries is not associated with ASEAN, that is Association of Southeast Asian Nation? Myanmar, Indonesia, Brunei or South Korea? The correct answer is option D, South Korea. ASEAN is an intergovernmental organization that has 10 member countries in Southeast Asia: Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN was established on 8 August 1967 in Bangkok, Thailand, with the signing of the ASEAN Declaration or Bangkok Declaration. Hence, option D is correct option. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, which of the following statement is not correct? Alma-Ata Declaration is related with healthcare of the people. Hague Convention is related with pollution. Talanoa Dialogue is related with global climate change, or Under 2 Coalition is related with net zero emission. The correct answer is option B. Hague Convention is related with pollution. The Alma-Ata Declaration of 1978 emerged as a major milestone of the 20th century in the field of public health. It identified primary health care as key to the attainment of the goal of health for all. The Hague Convention protects children and their families against the risk of illegal, irregular, premature, or ill-prepared adoptions abroad. Hence, option B is correct. The objective of the Talanoa Dialogue is twofold: to take stock of the progress of climate action since Paris Agreement adoption and to inform the next round of nationally determined contributions or NDCs with a view to raise climate ambition. The Under 2 Coalition is the largest global network of states, regions, provinces, and other subnational governments committed to achieving net zero emissions by 2050 at the latest. Next question is, consider the following pairs. River flows into 1. Danube, Black Sea, 2. Volga, Caspian Sea, 3. Narmada, Arabian Sea. Which of the above pairs given above is or are correctly matched? 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, or 1, 2 and 3? The correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Danube River rises in the Black Forest Mountains of western Germany and flows for some 1,770 miles to its mouth on the Black Sea. The Volga River flows into the Caspian Sea and the Narmada River flows into the Arabian Sea. Hence, option D is the correct option. Next question is, recently Supreme Court upheld Economic Weaker Section, that is EWS quota, which provides 10% reservation among forward caste in government jobs and colleges across India. Which of the following Amendment Act is related to EWS? 101st, 102nd, 103rd or 104th? The correct answer is option C, 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Recently, the Supreme Court, by a majority view of 3:2 on November 7, 2022, upheld the validity of the 103rd Constitution Amendment Act. It provides for 10% reservation to people belonging to EWS, that is economically weaker sections, in admissions and government jobs. 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act is related to EWS. Hence, option C is correct. Next question is, which of the following institution releases Global Methane Assessment Report? World Bank, International Monetary Fund, Food and Agricultural Organizations, or Climate and Clean Air Coalition and UNEP? The correct answer is option D, Climate and Clean Air Coalition and UNEP. Climate and Clean Air Coalition UNEP releases Global Methane Assessment Report. Hence, option D is correct. The Global Methane Assessment shows that human-caused methane emissions can be reduced by up to 45% this decade. Such reductions would avoid nearly 0.3 degrees Celsius of global warming by 2045. Next question is, with reference to India's Kuno National Park, which of the following statements is or are correct? 1. It is in the state of Madhya Pradesh. 2. Its importance can be reflected in the 30,000-year-old cave paintings in nearby Pahargarh depicting multiple wild animals? Select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Kuno National Park of Madhya Pradesh is one of the most unique destinations for all wildlife lovers and enthusiasts. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Its importance can be reflected in the 30,000-year-old cave paintings in nearby Pahargarh depicting multiple wild animals. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Therefore, option C is correct. Next question is Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism or CBAM is often seen in news. It is related to European Union, SAARC, BIMSTEC or RCEP. The correct answer is option A, European Union. The Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism is a plan from the European Union or EU to tax carbon-intensive products such as iron and steel, cement, fertilizer, aluminium and electricity generation from 2026. Hence, option A is correct. A group of countries including India has opposed the carbon border taxes policy at the COP27 in Sharm el-Sheikh, saying it could result in market distortion. The basic group comprising India, China, Brazil and South Africa said in a joint statement dated November 15. Unilateral measures and discriminatory practices such as carbon border taxes that could result in market distortion and aggravate trust deficit amongst parties must be avoided. Next question is Exercise Samudra Shakti is the naval exercise between India and Russia, Indonesia, Sri Lanka or Japan. The correct answer is option B, Indonesia. Exercise Samudra Shakti is the naval exercise between India and Indonesia. Hence, option B is correct. The exercise aims to strengthen the bilateral relationship, enhance mutual understanding and interoperability in maritime operations between the two navies. Next question is India is a member of 1. IORA, 2. SAARC, 3. BIMSTEC. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only or 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. India is a member of IORA. All sovereign states of the Indian Ocean Rim are eligible for membership of the association. To become members, states must adhere to the principles and objectives enshrined in the Charter of the Association. SAARC has 8 member countries: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. BIMSTEC has a total of 7 member countries, 5 from South Asia including Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal and Sri Lanka and 2 from Southeast Asia including Myanmar and Thailand. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is Promotion of International Peace and Security is enshrined in the Fundamental Rights, Directive Principles of State Policy, Fundamental Duties or Preamble. The correct answer is option B, Directive Principles of State Policy. Article 51 mentioned in the Directive Principle of State Policy talk about promotion of international peace and security. The state shall endeavour to promote international peace and security, maintain just and honourable relations between nations, foster respect for international law and treaty obligations in the dealings of organized peoples with one another, and encourage settlement of international disputes by arbitration. Hence, option B is correct. Last question is in the context of arts and culture, the term Kalaripayattu is referred to folk dance, martial art, folk music or none of the above. The correct answer is option B, martial art. Kalaripayattu is considered among the oldest and most scientific martial arts in the world. It was developed in Kerala. The primary aim is the ultimate coordination between mind and body. Hence, option B is correct. Now it's time for the practice question. Fortaleza Declaration is associated with BRICS, ASEAN, SAARC or BIMSTEC. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.